Hello?
Hello.
Sameer, where the hell are you? Ajay is about to arrive, yeah.
Sorry, I'm about to leave. Promise I'll be home in 20 minutes.
Okay, yeah. Hurry up.
Okay, bye. Hi, you have reached Ajay. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hey Ajay, it's Priya. Just wanted to make sure you're not having any trouble finding directions. See you soon. Bye. Hey Ajay, you finally made it. Come on in.
Am I too late?
Oh no, I just meant you didn't have any trouble finding the place, right?
No, not much. It was just one straight freeway ride. Where is Sameer?
He's as usual late at work. But he'll be here any minute. So are you all settled in? How long are you here for?
I'm here for a while now.
Oh good. Let us know if you need any help.
Sure, will do. Finding apartments was a nightmare though.
Yeah.
Big thanks to Sameer for all the pointers. By the way, I'm listing you guys as my emergency contacts everywhere.
Yeah, of course. Hey, you're hurt. What happened?
Oh, nothing much. On my way here, something happened.
What?
I left in a hurry to come here.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I was driving, I got your call. I was about to pick the phone. I realized the cars in front of me suddenly stopped. I applied my brakes really hard. But then I rammed into the car in front of me.
What are you saying?
I was in a lot of pain. And then I died.
Priya! I just got a call. Ajay died in a car accident.